Hello everyone, my name is Prashant. I welcome you back to the series Let's Learn Automation Script. I hope you are liking the content so far. So far we have seen the object structure based automation script, and we have seen attribute uh, launch point based automation script. So now today we are going to talk about another useful type of automation script, and which is action launch point based automation script. So what is the use of action launch point based script? Say you have requirement where you want a particular logic to work when you are pressing a button, right? Or you want a particular logic to work whenever you want that action to be called by an escalation. Say you have an escalation and that particular action, particular escalation is going to run, and when it fulfills the requirement, whatever records which are under the criteria that this escalation fulfilled, you want some action to happen, right? Then you can write action based script, and you can associate this particular action with this escalation as well. Or if you want a particular action to be triggered when you are using workflow, in that case also you can write an action launch point based script, and you will be able to trigger a particular logic, right? So these are the very common scenario where you will be creating action launch point. So to create action launch point, we have to basically give a name of a launch point, as well as we have to also give a name of an action. So what happens is that Maximo is going to basically create an action, and this is the action record with which you will be associating with a button, or you can associate with an escalation, or you can associate with a workflow, right? So I have already created one script. Let me basically show you this particular script, right? And this particular script, I am saying C underscore SR underscore action. This is the particular script, and what exactly it is going to do? It is going to basically copy the priority of location to SR reported priority, right? So I am checking. This is, if you see the launch point, this is a launch point which is on action launch point type, and what I am doing is I am checking the value of the location, so which is the location of an SR, and if it is none, then we are basically going to the location MBO, and we are trying to fetch the location priority, and finally we are setting the value of this location priority into SR reported priority. As I mentioned, if you go to actions, you will see that there is an action which is also created. You see the value will be this value com.ibm.tivoli.maximo.script action, and it is going to basically pass the name of the script as a parameter. The type is going to be custom class. So it is a good idea that you keep the name of the action and the name of the script same, so that you do not get confused when this particular string is getting created. And in this application designer, I go to SR application. There is a button which we have created, and in this button, uh, nothing fancy, we are just coming here and we are just giving the name of event. So this is the same action which is created, right? So my name of the action is same, my name of the script is same, and I have associated it here. So now if you go to service request application, you will be able to see. So let me see one a new status. Okay, so I have this one here, and if you see, this is a button which is available. So I already have a location selected here, and you can see there is no reported priority. So if we go to location, we can see this has a priority of 3. So once I click the button, what should happen is that the value of this priority 3 should set to reported priority, which happened here, right? So this is how the action script work, where you are going to create a script. This particular script is accessible from the button or the escalation or from the workflow process, and then you can write a logic which you want to process once this particular action happens. So that's it from this video. I hope you are liking the content so far. Stay tuned for more lessons in the same series. We'll connect again. Thank you so much.